Thank you so much. In more stories, an A-level needs assessment has revealed that learners lack 21st century skills, including communication, critical thinking and problem solving, hence producing more job seekers and creators. Officiating at the National Stakeholders Consultative meeting to review the A-level curriculum, State Minister for Primary Education, Mariko Kaduchu, said that it is unacceptable for learners to be trained under competence-based curriculum at O-level and turn to the old one for A-level.
National Curriculum Development Center (NCDC) has embarked on an initiative to review the advanced level curriculum to match the competences for students from O-level and prepare them for university. Most of the universities have aligned to a curriculum that is marketable. However, preliminary findings from A-level needs assessment indicate that learners have the knowledge but cannot translate it into required skills.
In terms of skill, this preliminary study has demonstrated that A-level leavers are very weak in computing mathematical problems. That's why the A-level, the lower secondary curriculum, talks about problem solving, critical thinking, analytical skills.
Students currently in Senior 1 and 2 are under a reviewed competency-based O-level curriculum rolled out in 2020, and by 2025, when they will be in Senior 5, they will require to study under a curriculum that matches the new lower secondary curriculum.
The learners who have been getting out of A-level have a mismatch with the society. They cannot perform anything in society. For instance, if you asked them to write an application letter, many cannot do it. The learners should be able to manage the problems they face. The stakeholders, they are indicating that we need to vocationalize the A-level curriculum.
Findings also indicate that learners who have been getting out of A-level have a mismatch with society. They cannot perform anything.
I think we are now just going to look at what we call now the proficiencies or the competences. Subjects are just baskets or careers. So I don't mind where you have got the competences from. So I'm trying to say, what is it that is required, that is needed, and how do we get them, rather than sticking to the subject. That's why you hear there is integrations, mergers.
NCDC is finding out why there is a high school dropout at all levels and also the teaching methods. National Curriculum Development Center wants to align the A-level curriculum with what is happening in the 21st century and global picture,
which need to be reorganized within general paper to have basic communication skills, to have basic ICT skills, basic research skills, basic mathematics, and then basic health education.
NCDC also plans to come out with a curriculum where every learner at A-level at least gets a module in a vocational or technical subject. With now a competency-based curriculum for O-level, education sector is shifting from learning outcomes of acquiring knowledge to competency-based, putting the skills and the attitude at the learner's outcome. I'm Navka Farida and Juman Samba in Kampala.